What up YouTube, this is your boy Jermaine, back with another video. This video I got an air fryer, Magic Chef air fryer. So let's do an unboxing video and then let's test this out and let's see what food tastes like using an air fryer. Okay, let's just open this one and let's get this video started. So anyway, I got a knife this time because the last time I didn't have a knife to open the box that I was trying to open. Now, one cool thing I like right off the bat with this company is when they sent me this, they sent it to me just like this, right? It wasn't inside of another box and then it's inside of this box. They just put the shipping label like bam right here on the side. I don't want you guys to see the shipping label, but they just stuck the shipping label on the side and they just shipped it, which is very smart and very convenient and environmentally friendly. So you want to open your box like so. Always open with the knife going away from you. Don't open like this, open like this, just in case your fingers slip. All right. Whee! Okay, let's see what we got in here. So we just got your normal, we got a manual, and then we got, this looks like maybe another manual. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe this is advertising other products. Oh, this is like a little recipe book. This can come into handy. I can see, zucchini fries. That sounds good. Okay, so inside it just comes in here like so. We just pull this top off. And we have an air fryer. So it's pretty simple, pretty basic. Now, I've never used one of these before. I'm pretty stoked to use one. I've always wanted to, well, not I've always wanted to use one, but for a couple months, I've really wanted to use an air fryer, but I was traveling, so I wasn't able to use an air fryer. And now I have an air fryer. Plastic off, and then looks like this is the door down below. And here we go. Let's open it up. All right, so this is how this works. You put your items in here like so. This one is a little tricky because there's no basket. You have to like lift it up with something. I guess it depends on what you're cooking. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make certain things in here. But yeah, you would just like put your items in here. So for example, if you're cooking French fries, you would just put some French fries in here. I've seen some other videos online where people sort of add olive oil just to give it flavor. I don't have olive oil. I have a little bit of coconut oil. Maybe I'll add some coconut oil, and I was thinking about adding some rosemary to my French fries so they can taste extra bomb, taste extra really good, yummy. But anyway, this is the air fryer. So this is the surface area. Now, if you're cooking French fries, you wouldn't want to fill this up with French fries. You kind of want to like sort of not fill it all the way up. So let's go test this out. Let's go cut it on. Let's go see how it works. Let's go cook some food. Let's go try this. If you're curious how this works, how can I cook French fries with no oil or basically very little oil? How it works is there is a like heating element inside, and there's also a fan. And the heating element heats up and it blows the heat down to the food. And that's how this thingamajiggy works. And let's go try it out. I think I'm gonna cook the fries with no oil because I just want to avoid the oil. We'll see what happens. Maybe I should use oil. Maybe you can use oil if you want to or not. But let's go try it out. It may not be a bad idea to wash and rinse out the basket first before your first use. Okay, first on the list is French fries. Now these are just Whole Foods French fries, and I'm gonna add some rosemary for flavoring. Got the French fries here, and let's cut the timer on. Next on the list, add your French fries. Add some rosemary. Okay, everything's in there, everything's set. Look how easy that was. That was really, really easy. Okay, we'll let these cook. I guess we don't need 25 minutes. I don't know why I cut it up so high. Can I cut it down? Yeah, I can cut it down. We'll give it maybe 10 minutes and then we'll flip them. Okay, I'm getting ready to prepare the next meal, and all right, these are my fries. Looks like I let them stay in just a little too long. So what does this French fry taste like? It tastes very good, actually. Even with the burnt tips. Next time I know not to leave it in there for as long as I did. But these taste really good. And maybe it would have been a better idea to flip these, but there's no need to flip these because all of these are completely done. These are really good. So I want to try this one more time with the fries. And then we'll move on to something new. Okay, round two. Okay, those fries look a whole lot better now. They just look nice and golden brown like they should. Now next thing on the list, let's make a pizza. So here I have some onions, some mushrooms, some garlic. I have the heating plate. Now this is gonna be a small pizza, by the way. This is not gonna be a large pizza. It's not gonna be 13 slices or anything like that. This is just going to be your average size pizza. This is gonna be a pizza equivalent to like maybe a slice of pizza. And we'll see how long this takes to cook. So what I'll do is put some of the dough around here and then add the toppings and then add some tomato sauce and pop it in the air fryer, and we'll see what happens. Now there's also two ways to make a pizza with this particular air fryer. You can use this this plate here, like I'm gonna use just to test out this method, or you can just put the dough in here and then add the toppings, which I think I actually kind of want to do that first because I can make the pizza a little bit larger and I don't have to worry about the hole in the middle. This won't stick to the bottom because this is air frying. So let's just make this a little bit bigger, and let's just not use this little plate because I do want a larger pizza. It'll be a little bit larger, and I can also make a deep dish pizza, which is pretty cool. I haven't had a deep dish pizza in a long time. I don't have a deep dish pan to make a deep dish pizza. Okay, so here we're just gonna roll out our pizza. I'm gonna slop it down on the tray. Okay, so this may be a lot of tomato sauce, but I love tomato sauce on my pizza. So I add quite a bit of tomato sauce whenever I'm making a pizza. Okay, and now let's add some of the toppings. A little bit of onion. A little bit of garlic. Okay, added some toppings. I mean, I guess I could add some more, but let's just try this out. Okay, let's go over to the air fryer. Okay, let's check on it again. All right, look at that pizza. Mushrooms are definitely cooked on top. Now I guess the hard part is getting this pizza out of here, because it's sort of a deep dish. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Is it done? Let's see, is it done? Now guys, I do want to remind you guys on something. I am no cook here. I just pulled this straight out the box, didn't read any instructions, and just start using it. Wow, look at this. This is a really thick pizza. Very thick pizza. I got no idea what this is gonna taste like. I can definitely taste the garlic. I can definitely taste the garlic. Pretty good. Now guys, I've had this air fryer for about a month now. Now when I first received this air fryer, I was gonna make a video and I was gonna show you guys how to use it and how it works. But that's not exactly a good review video, because that means I'm not really using the item. So I've used it for about a month. I've used it about, I don't know, 2-3 times a week, and I'm digging it. I'm a fan of it. I'm a huge fan of the air fryer. It is a pretty nice addition to my life, and I got me some fries right here. And over here, I am working on a Beyond Burger, and I got some onions there on the stove. That's what I got going on right now. But anyway, this air fryer, I'm digging it. This is a cool device. This is a cool thing. Yo, if you guys want to get one of these air fryers, it'll be a link in the description below. Make sure you click on it. I think you'll get something off, or you'll get something free, or you'll get something. Just click on the link, check it out. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. Peace out, yo.